Bless you. You so cute though. You so cute. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a video on how I style my 6-month-old's baby curly hair. Everything you see that I'm showing is what you're gonna need. Yes, you need some wine, and yes, you need some Gracie's Corner. Okay, if you know, then you know. Okay, so my baby has a very dry patch in the back. It's a different texture. It's very different than the rest of her hair. They say that it's normal though. She's 6 months, so I don't know. Hopefully, you know, we get some progress with that. But I first start off with a spray bottle. I spray her hair, make sure that it's nice and wet, because you never want to comb dry hair. It breaks. So make sure that it's wet. All right. Okay, so next I use coconut oil. This acts as a detangler, and it also moisturizes her hair. I just put it throughout the hair, just a dime size amount. You don't need a lot. Oil definitely spreads, so don't drench her hair in coconut oil, okay? And then I take a wide tooth comb, I section it, and I start from the end, and I work my way up to the root. You should be able to comb it through just like that without it getting tangled, without it getting stuck. That's how you know that you got all the kinks out. So today we're having a good hair day, okay? Usually it's a coin toss in the air, okay? Very much 50-50, very much, what is it gonna give today? But today she did pretty good, okay? As you see, I do let her play with toys while I'm doing her hair. Definitely give them something to do while you're doing their hair, okay? They want to be involved. So once you're done detangling, you should be able to run your fingers through their hair without a problem. Now, I personally use a rat tail comb when I part her hair. Y'all, okay, take it easy on me because I'm trying, okay? I have a baby. She's moving her head constantly back and forth. It's hard to kind of get these parts straight, okay? But we're working on it, okay? You mommies, take it easy on yourself because it's a process and you'll learn to tame the beast eventually. Child, I don't know why I didn't put this part in the video, but what I'm rubbing together in my hands is some shea butter. And this acts as a lotion or like a sealer. And all I do is just rub it on my hands and I grab her hair and then I begin my ponytail. This kind of helps smooth her hair out, okay? Because we're not using gel on these babies' heads, y'all. Okay, let's talk about it real quick. I don't want to judge anybody, but come on, y'all. Like, please take away these heavy products on your kids' hair. Like, you're really doing more damage than you think that you're doing. Gel should not go in a baby's hair at all. So, I just use something nice and natural, okay? This is gentle on her hair. You should always do a patch test, I guess. My baby doesn't have any allergies or anything to the products that I'm using. So I will say that. Do a patch test first. Every baby is different, okay? But yeah, so it acts as like a lotion. And then when I grab her hair, it kind of just smooths everything out for me. And there you go, okay? She got 2 little puff balls. And if you made it this far, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you found this video helpful. All comments are welcome, guys. Like, if you have any questions, reach out to me. If you have any suggestions, reach out to me, okay? We love feedback. So moisture is key, guys, okay? That's what I'm learning with my baby and her hair. She has about 3 different hair textures. She got a kinky curly, she got a regular curly, and then she got a super duper straight, or I would say wavy. Yeah, not sure how we got here, but we're here and that's okay. I'm accepting it. I love it. And I'm going to work with what I got. So after I'm done with her ponytails, I do go in with the spray bottle again. I spray the rest of her hair. I take some shea butter, moisturize her hair, and I'm pretty much done. So since we already detangled it, I'm just gonna take my wide tooth comb and comb from the ends up and kind of just pick it out like it's an afro. It technically is a little afro. And yeah, So that's all I do. And yes, you do hear the TV going. You hear my baby in the background. Oh, look, this is real life. I'm giving y'all real tea, okay? I cannot sit down and do a voiceover in one setting. No, I have to split it up in segments. And I do take some olive oil and then I just go over her dry spots in her hair. I do not oil her entire scalp, y'all, okay? Please don't oil their entire scalp. Just kind of go in small spots in the places that's needed. And that's all, guys. Look at my baby. I just threw some bows in her hair to kind of kick off the look. And she's so cute, guys. I love my baby so much. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. See y'all later. Bye.